So good evening everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel Nathatram. So today we are going to see another question on uniform distribution. Let's see what is that question. If the random variable k is uniformly distributed over closed interval 0, 5, what is the probability what is the probability that the roots of the equation 4x square plus 4xk plus k plus 2 is equal to 0 is zero. Solution. Let's see how to solve it. So k is uniformly distributed over closed interval 0, 5. So what is A? A is 0 and B is 5. So what it will be? F kx probability density function. What is that? That is 1 upon B minus A on closed interval GAB 0 elsewhere. Now AB is now A is 0 and B is 5. So this will be 1 upon 5 on closed interval 0, 5, 0 elsewhere. Okay. So this is PDF. Now 4x square plus 4xk plus k plus 2 has real roots. If when it will have real root, if so, this is my b square minus 4ac condition, that is discriminant is non-negative. So what is a here? A is 4, b is 4k, and c is k plus 2. So so what will to so b square minus 4ac should be non-negative. So 4k, b is 4k, 4, a is 4, c is k plus 2. So this implies 16k square minus 16k plus 2 less than 0. So dividing, so we can take 16 outside, k square minus k minus 2 greater than 0. So what you will get after dividing both these sides by 16? Because 16 is non-positive number, so we get k square minus k minus 2. So what will be this? This will be, now we need to factorize this. So this will be k square minus 2k plus k minus 2. So k minus 2 plus 1 k minus 2. So what is this? K plus 1 k minus 2. So when this is possible, when this will be possible, there will be two cases. If K1 is non-negative and K minus 2 is also non-negative. And what is second case? K plus 1 is less than 0 and K minus 2 is also less than 0. Then it is possible. So from here, what we get here, K is greater than minus 1. Okay. So here we can write less than because 0 case is already included here. Okay. And K is greater than 2. So when this will happen? If K is greater than minus 1 and K is greater than, what will the solution from here? K should be greater than. Okay. If K is greater than equal to 2, automatically this condition will be satisfied. Okay. And from here, K is less than minus 1 and K is less than 2. If this condition is satisfied, this will be automatically satisfied. So K is less than minus 1. Okay. So, we have, uh, so what is the probability? So probability, the equation has the equation 4x square 4x k plus 2 has real root is equal to what is this? This is equal to k is greater than equal to 0 or k is less than minus 1. So these two, this event and this event are mutually exclusive. So what we can write? P is less than 2 plus P uh, k less than minus 1. Okay, sorry, k is greater than equal to 2 and this. So what is this? This is nothing but 2 to infinity f k x dx. And what is this? This is minus infinity to minus 1 f k x dx. So 2 to 5, on 2 to 5 interval, it is 1 upon 5 dx. Rest it is 0. But minus infinity to minus 1, it is 0 actually. 0. 0. So what we got? 1 upon 5 will come out 2 to 5 dx and this is 0. So 1 upon 5 x 2 to 5. What will be this 1 upon 5? 5 minus 2. Okay, so it is 3 by 5. So this is the required probability. So this is the answer. Okay. So today's question up to this. If you have any problem, you can comment on my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe on YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's question. Thank you.